someday two systems of land ownership existed. One was feudalism and one was clan ownership of land. In the north of Scotland and in Ireland, I guess in the whole of Ireland, there was land ownership, and the land was owned by clans and by families, by prominent families and by members of them. But in, for example, the south of Scotland and in England, I guess, because after 1066 this was a Norman system, the feudalism system, there was used the feudalism system. This is when the king, they lent the land to their lords, and the lords lent the land to the peasants. The peasants then work for the lord, and also they cannot move from the place, from the plot, or from the area of land. And so this is feudalism, which was in England since the Norman conquest in 1066 by William the Conqueror, and I guess also in Wales, because Wales was annexed by the English King Edward I in the Statute of Rutland in 1284. And this is according to the Life in the UK Test Study Guide, page 18.